like I first said, listen up, listen up. Whenever you are doing this addition and subtraction of number base, listen up. I said it a simple way I can use to explain. You know, I know some people if you don't understand politics. I have to use politics for those guys that understand. You see the apprentice, after you don't finish work, after you don't learn finish, you fit go do anyhow. But so far you are still under apprenticeship. It's just like you are, you know, most of these things, you are doing tailor, you are doing hairdressing, except if you're a big girl or a big girl that you pay your oga plenty money. But if you pay small money, you go wash pampers. Your guy will get that pikin, you go wash bum of the pikin. That's it. You know, some people have experience. Should I say me? Yeah. I know they will cross me, but they understand what I'm saying. And you go wash pampers. That's it. If you are not apprentice and you never pay big money, maybe na small money you pay. You understand now? Now that time they go know say, oh yeah, see my pikin won't go shift, carry am go. My pikin, yes, that's apprentice. You talk, what am I saying? One house. You cannot shine past your master as an apprentice. After you have finished learning, now the sky is your beginning. You fit come get money pass master sef. You understand now? Maybe master dey use Mercedes C-Class 100G wagon. So you understand now?
About a GLA.
Politically, let us also assume this is Wike. I said this place here is Wike. This guy here, for example, no problem. Wike CJ share no, don't worry. At least you see under me. But 1 + 1 is equal to what? 2. You don't reach Wike. So Wike go say na me go up. So see that. So 2. So that be 2. This is Wike, and this is 2. I don't need anybody to. I don't come and because me. So 2 divided by 2 is what? 1 remainder 0. So this 0, but instead of it, people write what Wike no be. You go write what? 0. So that's 0. This one wey dey here, you go what? Bring am here. Carry one. So that is just the concept. You must not shine as an apprentice. You no go shine pass your master. You and your oga as an apprentice, both of you go to canteen. Your own go nappy. Your oga just order for 1,500 naira food. But because oga say go and order too. You say make bros, Alpha, you get turkey. After that, a turkey na 1.5. Meat and food 1.5. You bring turkey come. Turkey na what? 1.5. You never order fried rice. Fried rice come for the content say per spoon na 1,000. You now say give me 5 spoons. See, I trust your guy and I trust very well. Now your salary, now you go use pay for that food. You understand now? Now your salary, you go use pay for that food.
I see again.
So that's what I'm saying here. As these guys here, they be apprentices. This one here, they be oga. So don't follow your oga. I'm telling you, I'm teaching you lesson now, and they teach you lesson. Don't follow your oga. Go shop food wey pass your guy. I don't do am once, and after that once I don't do am again.
Don't even experience. Experience.
I dey tell you. See, you know say e better make you learn from another person's experience.
Sorry.
I dey teach you now. So don't go come for oga say make I order but any order. See, as you dey order, they wash your oga face. If oga carry 2, carry 1. That is sense of life. And they follow you sense that is not expensive. You no go learn am for inside book and they teach you for inside class. So na the thing wey dey see your food wey dey here. So make sure say you dey watch yourself. So this guy get 0. This one carry am come here. 1 + 1, you see the what? 2. You no gree, you go see quarter again. Say, I say I no go shop pass my oga. After you don become oga, you fit do anyhow. But as far as oga still dey under oga, omo, give yourself sense. You can't reach the house of your oga because your oga say make you feel at home. You go enter inside his bedroom. Yes, you don't get sense. My sister, instead of you to spend 3 years in your apprenticeship, you may spend 6 years. So give yourself sense. So not be every blank check or open check what they give you. You to dey write anyhow. Give yourself sense. So now 2 into 2 is what? 1 remainder 0. So you see write the 0, you keep the 1. Now this one like the big boy. 1 plus 1 plus 1 you got the what? 3. Hey! 3 you don pass your what? Oga. Oga 3. Oga say come here. So Oga come do like this. So the 2 you must divide me. Are you getting me now? So 2 into 3 is what? 1 remainder 1. So you are writing the remainder 1 and the 1 wey remain you know say you don't get any other thing again. Right here. So your answer is what? 1 1 0 0 1 base what? Simple. No fight. No fight. So it's very easy. See, can you see now? Mathematics under normal base, they also understand the principle of Oga and apprentice. So whenever you are doing this kind of thing, it is Oga and apprentice principle that you will use to solve it. Once you are doing a value and it's higher than the number base, problem dey. But if you go and get an answer, please listen. If you get an answer, you now see 3 2 0 0 1 base 2. My sister, mark it yourself. There are some simple ways to just know say you don't overpass your boundary. And that is it. Once you have, because oftentimes even in most number base, the base must be the highest number. You must not pass the base. Once you don't pass your Oga, you don't trespass your boundary. And of course they will cut you. You don't go feature wicked to try am. You understand now? So that is just the way it is. So right. Next one. Let's really do this. 7 plus 4 is equal to what? 11. What you pass Oga? Don't pass on the you can't write 11 and even go that 11. Some people that never today the number base so long for 11 because that's hexadecimal. 11 in hexadecimal format is what? Is A. Jesus will touch you. 11 in hexadecimal is what? Is 3. Is B now. Hexadecimal is the most on last class. 11 is B. 12 is what? C. No wetin you dey do. 10 na what? Na wetin? Na the A. Then the A. So hexadecimal, there are numbers in base 16. Are you getting me now? There are numbers in base, so from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and what? 15. So it is because no matter what, so that there will not be discrepancy and you not mix it up with the regular values. Of course, there's no way you can you differentiate between, let us assume that we have 12 and 2 and 10. Are you getting the answer? Can we actually differentiate this one from 1 2 2 1 0? Are you getting me now? So it cannot be differentiated because this is 12. Assuming this the answer is 1 2 2 1 0. And there's also another answer that is 12 2 1 0. Are you getting now? This one is in base 16. Let us assume that this one is in base 4 assumption. Now, there's no way you can differentiate between this 1 2 and also that this 12. So whenever you are doing hexadecimal, so they now came up with an idea that whenever you have 12, since we cannot differentiate between 1 2 and 12, are you getting me now? Why don't we just write 12 as what? So that would be what? C. C 2 A base what? 16. That's hexadecimal. So, but before we get there, I will find a question where I will just use to treat that perfectly. 10 to 11, 10 in 11. 1 in 1. So you have 1 here. You have the 1 here, thank you. So 8 and 9 is what? Is 9. You never pass boundary. You go write down like that. 7 plus 6, 13. Don't pass boundary, don't pass Oga. You don't pass Oga, you go cut the idiots. So 10 is 13. So you go write it here. You understand? Are you guys getting it? So there's still 1, you put it here. So 1 plus 6 equals what? 3. So the addition of this and this is equal to 3 3 9 1 base what? Base 10. That's it. That's it. That is where you do addition of indices. What did I say? Addition of indices. Anytime you have a value that is more than the number base, you must cut it with that number base. But you are quickly like so that we can do subtraction. So you have to give yourself sense. Let me start from the simpler one. This one is hard. It's also a bit different from the addition. So when you have 1 1 0 0 base 2 and then 1 0 1 base 2, now subtraction. Now you guys always know that in your from your primary school, can we subtract 1 from 0? So what do you always do? You say you now go and borrow. You turn to a borrower. Now want to go and borrow because you cannot minus this from this guy. So the nearest guy we can borrow from is from who? Here. But there's actually a difference between, let's see, the trick, the magic is that whenever you are subtracting under a number base, whatever you borrow will be in the name of the what? Of the base. That means it is only an oga that can borrow. Somebody wey get money, na if he borrow you money, they said that the borrower, is always a servant to the what? Lender. Nǹkan mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. A smart man once say that a borrower is the servant to a what? A lender. If you no quick pay am, if you come one day and tell you say, "Oh boy, how far now? I wan use your pardon. Abeg, sharp, give me just like 2 days. I wan use your pardon." Because you still want am, you go give your pardon. Sharp. The only thing say, just make sure say, you know that you say you wan use your wife.
That's even now.
You understand that? So the idea is just make sure that you live your life and be contented. Don't go. Some people can borrow to buy asoebi. Yes, women, they can borrow to buy asoebi.
Fear them.
Don't do that. So I know them. So this guy now. This guy needs to go and borrow from this guy. When this guy borrows from here, you know the remainder is what? 0. But if you are borrowing in the name of the number base. So once it lands here, what will land here is what? 2. This guy is your guy now. He's forming punch. So if land here becomes 2. 1 come out from here, it remain what? 1. The one wey come here to still become what? 2. Don't go and make mistake and be writing 1. But for 1 oshi. It's in the number base. So this will now be what? 2 minus 1, which is what? 1. What is remaining here is what? 1 minus 0. Look at this guy too. He's 0. You cannot subtract 1 from 0. So you can't come and borrow from this guy. You borrow from 1 here, what do you have remaining? 0. If 1 lands here, it becomes what? 2. See, we have been like that. I'm teaching primary school students. So open your brain, yo. There's a difference between looking and seeing. Some people now like this, they don't use only I see. They say open my. So if only your eyes cannot see, open the mouth and see very well. So 2 minus 1 is equal to what? 1. So of course this one is already 0, so there's no need to write the 0. So therefore, this is 1 1 1 base 2. That's the answer.